can pass there in going to Kota Kinabalu with mountains
Yes.
on side by side.
Okay.
Yeah. It's so blue of the trees, the forest,
And,
virgin forest right there. Yeah. And there's the falls right there. You can see it between the trees. Yeah. Oh yeah, in the mountain. You can see it because it's so blue because of the trees, blue green.
Have you gone to this Mount Kinabalu?
Yeah, Mount Kinabalu.
Did you went
We're there. Yeah.
Yeah, was it cool at the time?
Yeah. It's very cool at that time.
Kinabalu?
Now there's a lot of forest being cut there, so it's not as cold as before.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it affects the ecosystem, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know,
It's not like before. That
yeah,
They prohibited from cutting
yeah,
trees.
actually they're prohibited, but
Now,
now people are farming.
oh, that's it.
Yeah, they are farming. So it affects, I think, the ecosystem that it's not so good anymore.
Mm-hmm.
But national park, I think, still good because they preserve the trees. But at Kundasang lower part, it's no more, not as cold as before.
Oh.
It's Tungason. Kaya.
It's near if you go to Singapore from Malaysia.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's you can go by land from Singapore, from Malaysia
To Singapore, yeah.
Yeah, by bus or train.
By bus,
Yeah.
by bus only.
I think bus.
There are a lot of people from Malaysia in Johor.
Mm-hmm.
They go to Singapore,
Mhm.
morning work, and then afternoon, evening they go back to Malaysia again. They
Oh.
just cross the
The border.
Yeah, the border.
Just cross the border.
Yeah.
Borderline.
So it's very near each other. Because actually Singapore wants
Yeah,
to-
because we have an appointment after Malaysia, but we did not go to Singapore.
So normally, if
Mhm.
tourists going
So
to
we just
Oh,
stayed
no.
there.
Oh no, the dalan is so bati. Nabangag.
Wow, what happened?
this,
Nabangag. Bumpy road.
Bumpy road, take me home.
so what's the name? Langkapan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is Langkapan a district? Is a district or
Municipality.
Municipality.
so it covers quite a big area, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Nag-chat tulay. Almost na. Nawa na. Baha na diri. Nawa na. Pilot. Pilot ba? Ano pa dahil?
Napawi. Oh, they're
Wow.
swimming right there.
Way purol.
No brief at all.
He swim.